Ever wondered what actually happens between under contract and closing day? Well, one of the men behind the curtain is going to let you know today. First up, if you're watching this video, you're probably under contract or getting ready to be. So congrats. Now's whenever the real work is going to begin. Most buyers think this is the easy part, but between now and closing, there's a dozen steps that can make or break a deal. Everything from inspections to lender paperwork. This is where the details matter, and where having the right guide actually is going to help you from losing sleep or even worse, the house. If you need some help, shoot us a comment below and just type in closing game plan and we can send that to you directly. And you'll know exactly what the next step is. First step for most buyers during this period is going to be the home inspection. This is where we find out what's really going on behind the walls, under the roof, and in the crawl space. Your agent's going to review the report and decide what's worth negotiating and make sure you're not buying someone else's problems. Still want some help? Let us know by shooting us a comment and just writing closing game plan, and we'll be glad to send you our 5 inspection questions every buyer should ask before moving forward. Next step is probably going to be your appraisal. Your lender's way of making sure the home is worth what you are paying. If it comes in too low, we'll have to negotiate. If it's on point, we'll just keep moving forward. Meanwhile, your lender's collecting pay stubs, bank statements, and other documents. Pro tip from an agent who's seen it all. Don't change jobs, buy a car, or open up any new lines of credit, even if it's rent a center. DM us with closing game plan and we'll make sure I include my lender's do's and don'ts checklist. While all this is happening, your attorney is going to be checking title to make sure you are getting clean ownership from the seller. Yes, sometimes there's hiccups in here where that needs a survey, somebody else to sign off on anything. While all this is going on, we're going to negotiate repairs, and the seller needs to knock out those. Recheck everything before closing. Finally, closing day. You're going to sign more papers than you thought possible. You'll get the keys whenever it's recorded. You'll take a cheesy front porch photo with one of our big keys, and you'll enjoy it instead of stressing all the way through it. Got any questions? Make sure you comment below. Closing game plan, and we'll be glad to send you the full buyer timeline so you can walk through your closing confident and ready.